Hey guys, this is John Nakowicz here with another unboxing video. New supplies for the office. Let's take a look. Oh, these are great folders. The old folder was way too small. This is really nice. Look at all the space you have to write whatever you want. Ooh, look at this. Some elastic bands. We use these in the tax season. I want to check it out. They're pretty flexible. Got these big binder clips. These are medium binder clips. Some people like to go with the large ones, but I find that obnoxious. Ooh, new staplers. My stapler's running low. And we spent the extra money for the premium staples. And erasers. We don't make any mistakes, so I'm not sure why these got sent to us, so I'm going to send these back. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to smash that, what button? Oh, make sure to smash that like button.